Hello friends, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This will be a very quick video, something interesting from the shop to see, right? If you do a lot of engine oil changes, maybe you own more Toyotas, more than one, and you do it, once a month or something, I will highly recommend this product. This is from Motive X Tools, and what is great about this funnel is the fact that it perfectly seals to the opening where you have that engine oil filler. So you see the gasket, right, the thread, and what do? You nicely, tightly put it on, and now I'm ready to pour the oil. And basically what the difference is, right, that it's nice and stable here, right, you can see it, right, it will be not ding dong ding around like a normal funnel reach. It's not attached really to the filler opening, right. Hopefully you can put the bottle there. Right now you have absolute control over this, right, you can even see nicely that new oil. And there's absolutely no possibility of any spills and mess and cleaning after that. So I can highly recommend it, and it's my little recommendation from my shop for you. I have somewhere here their sticker. Yep, so this is the company who makes those, Motive X Tools, and I believe you can find it on eBay, I think for less than 20 bucks, which is very reasonable. So thanks for watching and be tuned. I have way more videos about Toyotas coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.